Well. Today I'm here to talk about some mathematical equation and mathematical problem. Especially we start with index problems. Today class is for the mid-level students. Like for example, if I say that index or indices, or you can say that exponents. So what are they? Exponent is a kind of power of something. Like for example, if I write 8 on above a, you can write something like that one. So here a it called a square, or you can say that a to the power 2. That means the base. That means a is the base and 2 is the power. That means the base will repeat for 2 times. The power represents that. Okay, so whenever you see such kind of thing like a square, and if you give a power like a to the power 3, then it will call as like a will come for 3 times. So that concept comes for solving some mathematical equations, especially whenever you actually determining something, some kind of critical equations. Okay, so there are some rules about how can I solve this kind of questions. Like if I say that there is a base a to the power m and a base e to the power n. So here you can say that this dot, actually this point or dot, you can say that represents the multiplication between the a to the power m and a to the power n. So what will it end up, or what is the formula if we see such kind of thing? So the base are same, so we can write a single base, and whenever see that the bases are in a multiplication condition, we can add the powers, so the power will be added just like m plus n. So this is the first formula. So what if we see that a to the power m divided by a to the power n, what will it look like, or what will it come? Okay, whenever you see that some very common, this is like a is the same and a is the same base, and they are in a division condition, we can write them as like a to the power m minus n. So the lower part will be deduce or deduct from the upper level one. So these are the two formulas. This is for the multiplication condition and this is for the division condition. Okay, so there are no plus or minus formula for this kind of thing. Okay, so as we use the plus in case of a dot a to the power m dot a to the power n and a to the power m plus n, and a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. So these are the two formulas for our exponents, or you can say that indices. So you can do such kind of whatever the math equation, mathematical expression given to you to solve, or your kind of equation can be given to you to solve. You can solve them. Okay, for example, if I say that yeah, there is a question asked by teacher that 4 to the power x plus 1 equal to 32. So how can you solve that problem? So in terms of solving exponent problem, you have to divide them into their lower parts, or especially that for prime factors. For example, if I say that for 2, what are the factors of 2? For factors 2 is like 2 and okay, so not like 4 and 2. So 2 is the factor of 4, so you can write 4 as a like 2 square, but you have to give a bracket just to understand that this is the whole part, which is a power of 2 square or 4. In case of there, in case here this is the power of 4, and in case here this is the power of a 2 square. Okay, so we have to divide this also. So what is the HCF of 32? We can say that 2 16, then if we divide 16 by, then it will come 8. If we divide to 8 by 2 is become 4, and if we divide 4 by 2, then it come how many 2's, like 2 2 2 2, there are 5 2's. That means we can write that 5 times. So 2 can be written as 5 times. So what, how can actually determine this? Okay, here we have to multiply the powers, so it will come into in this condition. Okay, so here he said that there are 5 2's. That means we can write that 2 to the power 5. As you can see that 2 square is equal to 2 times 2, that means 2 to the power 5 equal to 5 times 2. So here is the condition that whenever you see that their bases are same in the both sides, left hand side and right hand side, you can write the powers equal to powers. That's it. So how can I solve this? Okay, if I have to erase this, then I can write here like 2x plus 2 equal to 5 Okay, then 2x is equal to 5 minus 2. I am reducing 2 from both sides, or deducting 2 from both sides, and then I can come up with that, or x2 is equal to x equal to 3. So if I divide both sides by 2, then okay, if I show that, then it will end it up like, or x equal to 3 by 2. So here is our solution. Or if I can actually shows it into decimal point, then you can write this as what is half is like 0.2, that is like 0.15. Okay, it's like 1.5, because if I, okay, what is half equal to? Half equal to 5, 0.5, and if you multiply 0.5 times 3, equal to get 15. So there is only one dot, so you have only one option to give the dot. So there is the exponent problem. So this is the for today.